In today's video, I'll be planing some old weathered hardwood, then making a simple tool. Because of their size and shape, these particular boards will become handles for future projects and tool restorations. These pieces came from the States, used by truckers to support heavy loads. Hardwoods of all kinds are easy to come by in the States, or even in certain parts of Canada, but not here in Alberta. Birches are only true hardwood that can grow in our harsh climate. These oak boards were tossed aside and forgotten. I knew when I picked them up and felt their weight and density, I had something special. Boards that were once baking in the hot sun, soaked from summer rains, or frozen like blocks of ice in the winter, were now going to be given a new life. Planing away the rough gray exterior reveals the true color of the wood and its beautiful grain. The shavings will be kept and used for building fires. There is something so satisfying and relaxing from the simple act of planing wood. The goal today isn't to make these boards perfectly level, but to show what's hidden beneath. A quick wipe with linseed oil to replenish the parched grain, and this wood is ready. The time has come to make a simple yet necessary tool. It will act as a scribe for leather or wood, double as an awl or even a pick. This isn't my first awl project, but I think I have a design that will work better than my past attempts. It will also give me an opportunity to use my drill like a lathe. I've made many handles but never quite like this. I shaped the handle using the power of the drill and various grits of sandpaper, followed by many coats of linseed oil and wax to achieve a high gloss shine. I'm quite happy the way this project turned out, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.